All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage this morning. Daggone, I tell you what, I haven't been out here in a pretty good while. It's been just too daggone cold for this old boy. Got the sun shining today, though. Let's take a look outside here. You can hear my heater up here. It's going full blast. Look at that sunshine. Wow, look at that. That looks pretty good. I haven't seen weather like this in a while. It's in the low 30s. That's about the best we've had in quite some time. Let's do a time and temperature check here. It is about 10:30 or so, I guess. I just got through eating some Pop-Tarts. I got her up to 68 degrees, almost 69 degrees out here, 33% humidity. That's not too bad. Man, I'll tell you what, I'm just having a hard time getting back into it because it's been quite a while since I've been out here, and it's like the Titanic. You know that submarine that went down and took all those pictures, and it was like everything's frozen in time. Nothing's been done, nothing's been touched, everything's just still sitting the way it was before. Because you guys remember, we had freezing rain and snow, and then we had heavy rains that caused flooding. Then after that we had snow again. And then the other day we just had snow, and it's all starting to melt now. So with all that, we were in the deep freeze. We were in the single digits for a pretty good while, and it's been 10 days or better since it's the first day that's been above freezing. So that's why I'm out here today. Man, my daggone 3D printer, that sucker was like an ice cube, man. So I turned the heat on for a little while and let it warm up. Turned it on, let it cycle through. Cause guys, I plan tomorrow now. This is the big kicker. Tomorrow and Tuesday, I think it's supposed to be in the 50s here. So I think I'm going to get out here and do some 3D printing. I've got something I need to print out for a good friend of mine down in Tennessee. His daughter was wanting something, so I've got something I'm going to try and print out for her. She was going to buy the file, but I found it for free, so we're going to see how it turns out. But daggone, guys, I just haven't got anything done. I mean, I'm just having a hard time getting back into it. I've just been kind of sitting out here, just kind of milling around, looking at things, and I'm not really productive on anything. I did cut that section out of the body right there because I was trial fitting this small box chivy in there, and I put the pan. Man, I messed it up. I put the pan. See that hole in the bottom? I had to glue a plug back in there. I don't know what I was thinking. I couldn't get the engine in. Once I put that pan in, then the engine wouldn't fit in there. So I cut this section out, got the engine fitted in there, and then I was trying to cut out a clearance spot for the transmission on the bottom, and kind of got a little carried away, I guess. But still, man, that putty that's like an ice cube. Man, even though I've got it almost 70 degrees out here, it's a cold 70 degrees, if y'all know what I mean. Everything's been like an ice cube out here. But daggone, I'm just having a hard time getting back into it. I mean, I know there's things I can do. I can't do any painting or anything yet because it's just been too cold, and I'm going to wait till that warmer weather comes in and kind of warms everything back up out here, and then I'll get after it then, I guess. But man, I'm just nothing. No models. I know this is Sunday, and I probably should have done a model cars and coffee for Sunday morning, but I just got out here a little bit ago, and I just not in the mood to do anything right now. I don't know what it is. I just you know how it is when you don't get out and get any bench time for quite a while. You kind of lose a little bit of interest, and it's just hard to get back into the swing of things. So yeah, and I also need to. All these cold days, I need to open that garage door. I might do that in a couple days here. I need to fire Ruby up and let her run pretty good. It's been a while since she's been out, and I've started it up. I normally try and start it up once every, at least in the cold winter, once every week or so, and let it run, get up to operating temperature. But been too daggone cold to get out of it. Well, actually, my garage door I tried to open it here, I don't know, it was 3 or 4 days ago when we had that heavy freeze. The garage door, the rubber was froze to the concrete. I mean, I hit the button and it tried to go up and then it stopped and went back down. So I just let everything sit for another day or so and went outside with a shovel and went up underneath that rubber and got her open so the wife could get her car out. But guys, like I said, I haven't done anything. Sorry about it. Just couldn't get out here, too daggone cold, and I wasn't in the mood, and even though I'm out here now, I'm still not in the mood, so daggone it. But I think once I fire this 3D printer up and get back into the swing of things, and I need to finish this daggone thing up. I went through all my decals and I really didn't find anything I liked, so I may just put those Grape Ape gasser decals on the door. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, there's a rolling chassis for it. But yeah, I need to finish that one up. I think that's going to be the next one I'll finish up. But I've been piddling around with these a little bit. But like I said, hard to get back into the swing of things, fellas. All right, guys, I'm not going to keep you all too long. It's already been over 6 minutes, and that's a little long for me, so I'm done.